In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust the volume of your items in Reaper. I split this apart a few times so I can show you a good example of adjusting the volume for each item. You can go over here to this knob, click, then drag up or down to adjust the overall volume of that track. But I'll show you another trick. First, we're going to go up here to Options, all the way down to Preferences, then click Media. And right here, where it says Item Volume Control, click the drop-down, and we're going to change it to Knob. Apply. Now you'll see a little knob over each item. This works exactly the same as the knob on the left. Just click and drag up or down to raise or lower the volume of the specific item. Now I'll show you one more trick. Make sure you have your track selected, then hit V. It'll bring up this volume track down here. Say you want to have the volume dip, but you want it to sound natural. Instead of splitting the takes and messing around with fade, we can just hold Shift. Click where you want the volume to start dropping. Keep holding Shift, and click where you'd like the volume to end up. You can click and drag this around to get the desired effect. You can also add more points if you want the volume to keep changing. You can also hold Control to draw the pattern. I personally don't use that. Hit V once you have it set the way you like, and the volume track will go away. All the points that you created will still be applied. If you want to bring it up and look at it again or change something, just hit V again. And that's it for this video. If there's something you'd like covered, please feel free to drop a comment and I'll do what I can to cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching.